In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make trial balance adjustments in QuickBooks. If you need to record end-of-period changes so your books reflect the most accurate financial picture, using a journal entry for trial balance adjustments is a simple and effective way to do it. This is commonly done at the end of a month, quarter, or year when you need to adjust account balances before finalizing reports. The key here is accuracy because even a small mistake can affect your financial statements. To begin, go to the top left of QuickBooks and click the Create button, then choose Journal Entry. This opens the screen where you can manually record your adjustment. Journal entries are typically used for accounting corrections, accruals, depreciation, and other end-of-period updates, so make sure you're entering the information carefully and reviewing each line as you go. Next, enter the date for the end of the accounting period. This is important because the date determines when the adjustment will appear in your financial records and reports. If you're working on month-end adjustments, use the final date of that month. You'll also want to enter the entry number for tracking. This helps keep your records organized and makes it easier to locate the adjustment later if you need to review it, reconcile it, or discuss it with your accountant or bookkeeper. After that, select the accounts that need adjusting. On each line, choose the correct account and enter the appropriate debit or credit amount. This is the most important part of the process because your trial balance adjustment must be balanced. In other words, your total debits need to exactly equal your total credits. If they don't match, QuickBooks will not allow the entry to work properly, and your books won't stay in balance. Take a moment here to double-check the account names, the amounts, and whether each number belongs in the debit or credit column. Once everything looks correct, finish by clicking Save and Close if you're done, or Save Anew if you need to enter another adjustment right away. Saving closes out the journal entry and records it in your books, so it's a good idea to give the entry one final review before you confirm it. That's how to make trial balance adjustments in QuickBooks. If you follow these steps carefully and verify that your debits and credits match, you'll keep your records clean, accurate, and ready for reporting.